dumpster rental service in Greater Atlanta Metropolitan. When it comes to reliable dumpster rental services in the Greater Atlanta Metropolitan area, OnSite Environmental Services is your trusted partner. Whether you're managing a home renovation, a construction project, or cleaning up after a major event, their roll-off dumpsters are the ideal solution to handle waste efficiently and affordably. OnSite Environmental Services offers a variety of dumpster sizes to accommodate any job, from small residential cleanups to large commercial projects. Their team is committed to providing prompt and professional service, ensuring that your project stays on track with minimal disruption. With flexible rental periods and competitive pricing, OnSite Environmental Services makes it easy to get the right dumpster for your needs. For environmentally conscious clients, OnSite Environmental Services is dedicated to responsible waste disposal practices, ensuring that as much waste as possible is recycled or properly disposed of. This commitment to sustainability makes them a preferred choice for businesses and homeowners alike. Their experienced team is ready to assist you with timely delivery and hassle-free pickup. If you're in the Greater Atlanta area and need a reliable dumpster rental service, contact OnSite Environmental Services today at 470-507-3569. Get started on your project with confidence knowing that OnSite Environmental Services has your waste management needs covered.